Alright, what is up guys? It's Nevin. Just haven't posted in a little bit, so just thought I should post. Show some things that I've been doing. Just got into drawing a little bit. BMW 56 Bel Air. I don't know, thought it turned out pretty cool. Here's my school welding project. Oh, you can't see. I got pretty good, okay beads. This thing would focus. Some tube notching. But what I really want to show you guys is the lug nuts that I got a couple weeks ago. That I don't know why, but I did not make a video. These things are sweet. Hold up. These fit my Ford 9-inch rear end that I'm gonna buy soon, and my Ford rack and pinion. Pretty dope, to be honest. And it comes with this tool, this socket, so no one can steal my wheels. But yeah, that's what I've been up to. Welding, drawing, earning money for my car. Oh yeah, and I also got an LS1 T56 swap out of, I think it was a Camaro. So be looking forward to some videos on that.